How to add Ring alarm to your Home Assistant. So of course, make sure you have your Home Assistant open and ready. Go ahead into your settings, and once you're there, you're gonna have to find your integrations or devices and services. So open that up and you will get into the section. You're just gonna go ahead and press an add integration, and from here you're just gonna search up the Ring app or the brand. So choose Ring, and from there this will pop out. You're gonna have to sign in with your Ring account. So put in the username of your account and its corresponding password, of course. And if this doesn't work, you can just go ahead and try again and make sure your credentials is correct. And that's pretty much it. Once logged in, and once the login is approved, Home Assistant should add your Ring devices and create available entities like your sensors or your motion events, doorbell events, and pretty much everything else in here. So if you want to find the integrations again, you'll just be able to find it in your settings and integrations. So just re-enter the area where you added the Ring brand in the first place. But that's pretty much how you add your Ring alarm. Hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.